Run up a check. Get money. Check.
What's up, YouTube? I am back with another freaking video, and today I will be doing the 100 chicken nugget challenge in 10 minutes, okay? 10 minutes, and I have a special guest, Boosie Buck, okay? He don't want to be in the intro. I don't know why, but whatever, you know. So we got 10 minutes to try to attempt to finish 100 nuggets. So yeah, let's get started. Make sure y'all like this video, subscribe, turn the notifications on, okay? So y'all can be getting them notifications when I post. So let's get into this video. We're about to get into it. Y'all, Boosie Buck here. Y'all make sure y'all follow him. The true kid. Alright, we about to start the timer. 10 minutes. Oh, it started. Shit. Hey, I ain't haven't ate all day today, so y'all know what it is. It ain't nice and hot. McDonald's nuggets. This is all I eat from McDonald's. This dude playing pool. Y'all, I need to start being more consistent with these videos. But your girl be busy. I be busy, but I don't be busy. Like, I be fake busy. You know we only got 10 minutes, right? While you just chilling, playing pool, right? And you know whoever lose gotta eat a raw egg, right? You know whoever lose gotta eat a raw egg. Whoever eats the smallest amount gotta eat a raw egg.
I'm already 2 ahead of you anyways, so.
Nah, bro. I was just playing about that raw egg thing, though.
No, you wasn't.
I was playing about that raw egg.
You already said it.
Not no raw egg. It gotta be some cooked though, for real. Make me some scramble. You know I don't like scrambled eggs. Oh shit. You almost finished. Y'all send me some video ideas. You feel me? Send me some video idea.
Damn,
You can't lie, these fresh. They crispy. They fresh. We got 6 minutes. And I haven't even finished eating 6 up.
Then shut up and eat.
Bam. Some bullshit. Oh my god, bro. Barely eating 10. Fuck. That McDonald's didn't get us no napkins, no nothing. Like, my stomach hurt. Y'all. My stomach hurt.
Should have given us like 20. You good?
Is you good? Oh, my stomach is hurting.
It is?
Yes.
I didn't ask. I'm about to go get that raw egg right now, huh?
I ain't about to eat no raw egg. I was playing.
I'm gonna throw it at you then.
You ain't about to throw it on me. Nah, it can't be no raw egg. It could be something else though. Not no raw egg. I ain't messing with no raw egg now.
How you go? You thought you was gonna win, that's why you
Bruh, I'm full. Somebody gotta eat these nuggets.
I'm about to go hand them out to homeless people or something.
I didn't pay $30 for this sugar nut. Excuse my language. I ain't paid $30 for nothing. These niggas is about to get ate. You full?
Don't worry about me.
You on your third one? You want to ask me some questions?
Nuh-uh. Come on, boy. Be cool.
I'm smacking. 15th nugget. You know how you set an alarm to wake up for school or work or something, and it just go snooze, bruh. That was 10 minutes, and I only ate 14 and a half nuggets. I was like nowhere near close. I couldn't even eat a 20 piece. Like, baby. You full? He ate almost 28. He ate 28 nuggets. I ate 14 and a half. He was almost at a 30 piece. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. We still got a whole 50 piece left, y'all.
Who want it?
Who want it? Cause I didn't waste my money. Period. And they fresh. Who would really eat 100 nuggets in 10 minutes? But hey, I'm full. I've been full after like 10. Not even 10. Make sure y'all follow me on Instagram. I am _Talia. Y'all make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. I am _Talia. Send me some video ideas, some prank ideas. So I will see y'all in the next video. What?
It's punishment time.
What's the punishment? I thought I was about to get let off. I thought he was about to cut me some slack. What is that? Oh, heck no!
You said anything
heck no! Bruh. Do y'all see what this is? You about to make me waste one of that little cool lights. Stop! You can't see me! Bruh. Really?
Pop open your cold one.
Really? For real?
For real, for real.
A beer?
A beer.
Out of everything up there, you gonna pick a...
You said in the refrigerator.
I ain't never drank a beer a day in my life. And I do not want today to be the first day. In a cool light. This is like an old person beer, I think. Alright, I guess I gotta take one for the team.
Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers. Girl, you out of pocket.
No, bro. I need a full note, bro.
No,
bro.
that shit nasty.
You better hold your breath or something, bro.
No, that's nasty.
No, I don't care. A little, you gotta give me more than that. Come on, man.
Bro, this shit is... How could people drink this? That shit is disgusting. Now you just made me waste a whole little beer. Alright, y'all. I think I'm drunk. No,
Hold that L.
I guess I had to take the L for the team, whatever. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.